Hi, my name's Hannah Lurie and I am the contributing food editor of Always Taste magazine, and I am currently obsessed with everything breakfast. So today I'm going to be showing you my favorite veggie fritters. They are delicious and I hope you enjoy them. So I love to use the Woolies everyday potatoes. They're quite nice and starchy. Do not wash them after you've peeled them and grated them, because basically we want to keep all that starch, and this is what makes sure that it stays together and it doesn't go soggy and very average. Okay, I'm also going to be adding some carrots to this mix. This adds yummy sweetness and nice color as well. And then 5 baby marrows. I love baby marrows, but obviously you can use kind of whatever you prefer. Ask Sage, she will tell you. Sagey! You're going to be taking batches of your mixture, potato, baby marrow, and carrots, and we're going to be adding them to a clean tea towel. And you're literally just going to be making like a little parcel like this. And this part is crucial. As you can see, there's lots of natural liquid and juices in these things. So this is a really great way to get your frustrations out. And it's basically the most work that you will do for this recipe. I promise. Now we're going to be toasting our seeds, coaxing out and enticing all of those awesome natural flavors. I'm gonna just give them a nice little grind. Then we've also got some nice little eggies that we've had on the boil. I love to add some turmeric to this recipe. It really adds like an incredible flavor and also a color to the final product. And then instead of black pepper today, we're going to be using a little bit of white pepper. I'm going to be quite generous with the salt because it's always better to season it now. And then a little bit of chickpea flour. So we've got like 35 grams, and this really just helps to bind it. So now we're going to be portioning them out. Don't be shy or afraid of really getting involved with them and kind of just making sure that you get this handful. It's going to pat into the bottom here. There you go. So just before they go into the oven, we're just going to give them a nice little drizzle of olive oil and put them in at about 200 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes on each side. Okay, so now we're going to be making the little things that go with it. At the moment, I'm totally obsessed with Woolies harissa spice. It's so good. We're going to be melting a little bit of butter, sprinkling a little bit of this good stuff in there, and basically, yeah, that's all the hard work done for you. About a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, whatever you prefer, and then we're just going to let it cook nicely, fry, and awaken all of those delicious, yummy flavors. At this point now, when it's all foamy, you can take it off the heat and leave it aside to cool. Okay, and here's our gorgeous little fritter röstis ready for assembling. So I love to eat them with a nice little bit of thick yogurt. So yum. Kind of like a Turkish egg-inspired dish. And then got our awesome little medium boiled eggs. And now for the best part, some, like, I wish you guys could smell this, but the harissa butter, insanely yummy. A bit of parsley, and there you go. Give it a taste. Yum.